Bills of materials are a crucial part of any assembly, but without the right tools, it's difficult to manage these BOMs appropriately. It's possible to find related documents, create a BOM manually using Excel, release files, or assign serial numbers to our files. But in the past, these tasks were all accomplished separately, using different applications or tools to get the job done one at a time, which takes a lot of manual work and excessive time. What if you could use one app to control and manage all of our BOM needs? Let's find out how in this 2-minute tech tip. Within the Product Release Engineer role, we have access to an app called Engineering Release. This application provides tons of control over how we manage our BOMs, ensuring that files have all the necessary and correct information to successfully release our files for production. By opening an assembly in the Engineering Release app, it automatically collects all files that are being referenced by the top-level assembly. From here, there are tons of tools to give the user full BOM management functionalities. Most of these tools can be found in the toolbar in the top right, allowing the user to change BOM views, represent different information within the bill of materials, create a CSV file, and more. Also, at the top of the application window, there are options to add information to the top-level assembly, such as an enterprise part number, as well as moving it to any other maturity state. The Engineering Release app allows users to choose what information is important to them to view on the bill of materials, apply serial numbers, and materials, including non-modeled items such as oil, paint, glue, things like that. We can also create assembly structures for things like a part replacement kit, as well as releasing our files for production and exporting the completed BOM to an Excel file, all within the same tool. This app allows for much more control over BOMs, all in one centralized location, to make viewing and editing files and their information a lot easier. Not only can it be used to generate and manage your referenced files, but additional files can be created and added directly from the web browser to generate spare part kits. Now there's a formal way to manage BOM approvals, ensuring that they are validated, reviewed, and approved for official release in a manufacturing environment. If you'd like to learn more about managing your data inside of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, be sure to check out the 3DEXPERIENCE Data Management course.